Okay, here we are. This is video 2 after the second day of work. They stopped demo when they started reconstructing. But yeah, this is after that second day. So let's take a quick look. I got my shoes. Don't want to leave a mess. We don't have a light switch for the time being. It's going to go in there someday. And it's going to do a dual control deal with that vent fan up there. And he's run a ground wire down from the sort of plumbing underneath the sink. He's going to ground to the pipe and carry that across. So now that'll be a grounded outlet. Is a grounded outlet. He left his handy math work there. And did some cleanup. Not quite finished with it. It's going to have to take out all those nails, various and sundry items, in order to get... this is what's called button board. And that is the plaster mixture. It's not drywall mud. It's kind of it's plaster. It's like old school 1950 plaster before they had drywall. And that's what this house was originally built at. You can kind of see the remnants of the lath up there. So they would lay down a lath, plaster over it, and then push it into this button board. And then the button board would hold the plaster to the wall with all those little chingaderas there poking through. So anyway, he's got the vent in. It's shooting out that direction. Maybe you can see it. I can't. But it's shooting out that direction, going out, and I haven't gone out there and looked. Probably should. That's not really straight. It's going to have to be straightened up. And haven't done any of the plumbing yet. Although he stuffed that up. I asked him to do that. I don't know why this is here, but I'm reluctant to step on it. And, fuck around and find out kind of thing. And nothing really done over here. As is, as was. So, yeah, very insignificant, somewhat insignificant progress here. And there you go. So that's it. I mean, it's significant but insignificant. He did a lot of work, rewired everything. He's wiring that vent up to here, and he's grounding that, and so that's all good stuff. Done a little bit of cleanup, and we'll go from here. So that's it, guys. More fun to follow. Okay. Bye.